Welcome at the AMB in Stuttgart 2024. I'd like to show you a little bit around on our booth, on our Ceratizit booth. And we start with that motorbike here from the company AMB, which is custom made. And the whole structure is made out of solid aluminum. All parts are machined with our Ceratizit tools, and every bike is absolutely unique, and this is quite amazing to see the structural parts. You even see the machining surfaces on that bike, and it's completely custom made. So each bike is different, so none is look-alike, and for that it's a really nice way to see how our tools are working in aluminum for these components. I'd like to show you a little bit around on the booth, and next is here the machining of cast iron. We have to move a little bit through because it's really crowded. Excuse me. So here, come around. You see here the product range for cast iron. And you see in the back some components which are machined in this area. And one of the innovations here is the 30th anniversary of the EcoCut. And we are really proud to introduce a 4xD EcoCut. With regard to the deviation, we cannot produce it in a steel holder. So first time in the market we present the EcoCut made out of cemented carbide. And you see that here, the complete tool holder is made out of cemented carbide. Even the pocket and the thread where you screw on the insert is made out of cemented carbide. It's quite difficult, but we can make it. And this is now the 4xD EcoCut, the most powerful boring bar on the market, with which you can drill holes with a flat surface, external turning, internal turning, face turning, everything multifunctional. So this is here one of the innovations. Let's go a little bit further. The next area we show here is titanium machining. It's also really crowded. We show a lot of products for titanium machining. You probably know that it's really difficult, this material, to machine in a high volume, and we are really proud to present a tool which gives you the opportunity to bring the coolant agent directly on the cutting edge. The cooling agent is spread here directly on the flank of the insert, and to accomplish that we use additive manufacturing. So the whole tool body is laser sintered steel. We need that because the cooling channels are bent and divided in different parts to get a unique distribution of the cooling channel on the insert. And we present that as an innovation to get even more performance out of titanium machining as one of the innovations. Let's go to the next booth, to the next stand here. This is aluminum machining. And one of the innovations we show here, is the micro milling tool family, which is especially designed for aluminum machining. One interesting part of that is that there's a very thin diamond-like carbon coating. You see that on the rainbow color. You probably can see that in the video. And this gives you extended lifetime without sacrificing the sharpness of the cutting edge, and this gives you a big advantage. We have that in different geometries like ball knoll, like trochoidal milling heads and other things. So this is a complete family for small aluminum parts with tiny geometries to machine that in a good way. Let's go to the next one. Now we have to walk a little bit. Oh, it's really crowded here. So here in our booth, we show our material circularity. We are very, very proud that we introduced on this exhibition our first solid carbide mills made out of 99% recycled secondary raw material cemented carbide. This gives you a huge opportunity with regard to product PCF, product carbon footprint, and we can accomplish that by using recycled cemented carbide. And the process is shown here, and our specialists can describe how we do that. And we are getting more and more in that, introducing this material in other products as well. So right now we are in progress to put that also in high performance drills, for example, and also insert materials. And the process to get to this secondary raw material is shown here. Let's go to the next one. Here we show our mechatronic products. Mechatronic products is, for example, our Comflex, where we have an additional axis on the tool directly. The specialty is here that with a Bloom measuring system, we are able to measure the part and adjust with a control unit like Siemens, Heidenhain or Fanuc directly on the machine, automatic, the adjustment of the tool to get the right dimensions of the produced part. Completely automated, and this is really unique on the market that it's in an automated process directly available together with Bloom. Another example here is the detector. This is a small part which comes directly in the tool, and with acceleration measurement in that part we can count the tool cycles in the application. And with that, the customer has the opportunity to see directly when a tool exchange is necessary, or simply by the light signal giving from the detector system. And last but not least, on this stand here we have the HSKI, which is a directly connection inside the tool, a high power connection if you have axis on the tools or rotating tools, up to 600 watts into the tool system, but you can read out data with that connection as well in a high-speed manner to get some information out of the tool, like temperature, like cutting forces and whatever, and it's without any parts around the tool. So in the machine housing you have nothing which is disturbing your movement because it's directly incorporated in the HSK. Parallel to, we show in our digitalization area here our CeraSmart cockpit, where we combine all our digital solutions on one platform, which is also quite amazing. Let's come a little bit more to the next one. Yeah, here this is also very interesting. We have here a solution where we use our clamping devices, our vices, and with a workpiece change system by Gressel and a robotic arm by Promot. So when you have to machine different parts, different areas on one part, as you see, when you have a cube you have 6 sides, so you have to reclamp your part. Here with that system, with our vices, with our clamping system and with the handling system and the robotic arm, you can do that completely without any manual handling and in a very high accuracy, and it's completely autonomous. And we show that here in action, and this is quite amazing. Yeah, what we have additionally is our tool management system, our Tool-O-Mat, our MyTom system, which is now new. This is an electronic drawer where you have the tool management system, and first time here on the exhibition we show that not only exclusive for Ceratizit products. With the MyTom you can put everything in there and you have absolutely control and you know where your stuff is when you have to reorder. So that's new, MyTom, and this is the tool management part. And last but not least, we have here our live demo, and in the live demo we showed two different parts. One is a stainless steel part, which is quite tricky. So we don't use aluminum in that case, which is easy to show. We have here really the tough part, which is stainless steel. We show our tools on that part, and one of these tools are the solid carbide end mills manufactured out of completely recycled cemented carbide on stainless steel on the machine live. And parallel to that, I mentioned that 30 years of EcoCut, we have also one part where we show our aluminum products, and maybe you recognize that already. That is our EcoCut insert, and we manufacture that live on the booth and show our parts here as well on the Grob G350 in the machine with live feed video out of the working room. Yeah, that's a very small overview of what we are doing here on the booth. And last but not least, I cannot show you that because it's on the other side now, is our bar, and that's the place where I'm going now, having a drink. I hope you enjoyed the small tour around our booth, and maybe see you next time. Bye.